Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to password protect the Evernote app on Windows. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To password protect your Evernote on Windows, you can set a passcode if you are using the app on a mobile device, or encrypt a specific notes using a third-party platform. But however, Evernote does not allow a password protection for the entire application, especially if you're using that on a desktop on a Windows. All right. But what we can do is, first off, if you're using the Evernote as a desktop application, I want you to go to the tool section, which is kind of important. Click the settings. I want you to go to the sync folders. And if you're still following, I want you to connect a folder. Now, this folder came from my desktop computer. Why it's important, we will discuss later. But for now, I want you to create a folder on your desktop because this is where all the files that I am working here, it doesn't matter if it's a notebook or a note, it will be synced to the folder on my computer. I want you to click the apply changes. All right. The next thing that we're going to do once it's done is go to the search bar here and type in control panel. If you do, it will be forwarded here. And I want you to click the system and security. Wherein, what we are going to do is use the Windows User Account Control or the UAC. While not specific to Evernote, you can set up Windows User Account limit to access to your entire computer. All right, click that and click the Change User Account Control Settings. What will happen is there's going to be a pop-up window wherein we want to increase the notification to the limit. That means you can create a field of password protect your user account and not only let people access to your account that can access your Evernote data. It's kind of like limiting them, all right? You see, whenever they touch the Evernote app or any applications here, you will be notified, and that kind of like gives you a protection to your app, even if it's not a password kind of feel. We're simulating that. And all I have to do is click the OK button. Now, the next thing is, you see this BitLocker drive encryption. If you click that, what we're going to do is, if you're concerned about the privacy of your Evernote data, you could use this third-party encryption. All right, BitLocker for Windows Pro's user to encrypt the entire folder where your Evernote data is stored. And that includes the folder that we have saved and synced our data from. You see this, all right? All I have to do is turn it on. And remember the folder earlier? Now, this is a folder that we have synced our data in Evernote to go and save here, all right? And although we weren't able to create a password protection, we at least tried to simulate a same effect, creating a protection to our Evernote in our Windows desktop using machine. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.